Hello friends, welcome to the course of Macros of Excel for Beginners. In this course we will learn following topics. The first topic we will learn is Introduction to the Macros of Excel. In this we will learn what is Excel and how it helps in our daily life. The second one is Formatting Excel and Shortcuts. The third one is Tax Functions. The fourth one is the References, how to use references for the formulas and mathematical operations. Then data validation, how it is helpful in maintaining the standardized data. And then conditional formatting, then sorting and filtering the data, charts and graphs from given data sets, and protection of sheets so that nobody can manipulate the sheets. Pivot tables, by using it we will extract the summarized data from given last set data. VLOOKUP and actual lookup. In this function we will look up for the value from given table. Lookup function, we will learn how it is a good alternative for VLOOKUP. And then other functions which include operators, if function and count if function. And the last one is interactive dashboard. So in interactive dashboard we will make a dashboard for the top management people by using the whatever we have learned in earlier topics. So let's start with our first chapter, that is the Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. So what is Microsoft Excel? So Microsoft Excel is the most used software application of all time. It is a spreadsheet with the numbered rows and letter columns which is used to organize the data, and it supplies the number of functions to answer statistical, engineering and financial questions, and then we can present this data in the graphical method as well. So in common terms we can say that Microsoft Excel is used in analyzing data, calculating data, creating bar graphs and charts, and storing huge data for the quick reference. Now let's start with the Microsoft Excel. So how to open the Microsoft Excel? Okay, let's start. We will go there and click the Excel here and open it. So when you open the Microsoft Excel for the first time, the sheet looks like this one, and this top one is named as a book 5. Okay, and as I have already told it, the Microsoft Excel has a letter name columns, that is column, and number name rows. Okay, and here we can input any number of data and organize it according to our requirement, and this is the one sheet. Okay, so similarly we can add another sheet as well. This is sheet 2, it is similar to the sheet 1 as well, and we can add another sheet 3. So depending on our requirement we can add sheets here, and the combination of these sheets is called workbook. Okay, so how we can save this file once we have completed our work here? For that we go to the file and we go to the save as, and wherever we want to save this file, we need to click that folder. Suppose I want to save this file on the desktop, I will click here and this will come up, and here I will name it as Excel start. Then I will click save. Okay, see, the name has been changed to Excel start. Now if I start working something else, 1 2 3, and then I need to save this data in this Excel sheet. So how I can do it? Then I will need to go to this file, and I don't have to go back to save as, and this time I need to only just click the save. Okay, now we will learn the various components of this Excel sheet. Okay, this top one is called the ribbon, and in the ribbon the various tab has been given in which the various function of the Excel is given, which we will use it according to our requirement. Okay, and this is one is a toolbar, and in toolbar we can put whatever function which we frequently use. This cell is called name bar, and name bar is like an address of the cell. Like suppose if I want to know the where 1 2 3 lies, so if I click here, so it will say 1 2 3 lies on E6 cells, where E is the column and 6 is the row. Okay, you can see here, and row, and see is the column and 6 is the row. Okay, and this one fx is called, this one is called the formula bar. For example, if I add two numbers, that is 2 and 3, 2 plus 3. Okay, here 2 plus 3 is the formula, it is visible here also. Okay, now from here I can zoom the sheet here. If I want to reduce the size, I can click the minus button. If I want to increase the size, zoom it, I can click this plus button. Okay, now if I want to add something, add any new tab on this ribbon, we can customize it. Okay, similarly, if I want to add something new here in the toolbar, I can do it according to my need. So how we can do it? For that, first of all, go to the file, go at the bottom, and you will see option, click it here. Okay, now go to the customize ribbon. Okay, if on the right hand side you will see the main tabs. Okay, so these are the tabs which is visible on the ribbon. You can see the first one is home, that is shown here. The second one is insert, the third one is page layout, then fourth one is formulas. Okay, till help, you can see. If I want to add new tab, I can do it for myself. Like I want to add new tab and I want to put it at the end of the after help, and I will name it as Ankit. I will click OK. Under Ankit, I want to add email function. I will just click it and drag and drop it here. Okay, this email will be under the Ankit tab. Then I need to just click OK. See, this Ankit is shown here. I click it Ankit will come up. And I can also add some other functions under Ankit tab as well. For that, I need to go back to the file, options, then customize ribbon. Okay, under Ankit, one is shown email. I can add the new group here. Okay, and rename as conditional formatting CF, and put the conditional formatting under it. Okay, and then click OK. See, the conditional formatting has come here, and the group name which I have given, it is shown here, and new group, it is showing here. Okay, and if I doesn't want this Ankit in the ribbon here, so how I can remove it? Go to the file, go to the option, go to the customize ribbon, just click here and right click on the Ankit and remove, and click OK. See, Ankit has been removed. Now let's add some frequently used function on the toolbar. How I can do it? Go to the file, go to the option, and then you will see the quick access toolbar. Okay, I want to add a delete column here, so I will go there, add it, and see, click OK. The delete column is shown here. Okay, similarly I can remove it here as well. Go to the file, go to the option and quick access bar, and click here, remove it, click OK. See, easy. So this finishes our first lecture on Microsoft Excel. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you and have a nice day.